So the project is officially called the Lower Tahquamenon Falls Island Visitor Services Improvements Project. And the project consisted of constructing 350 feet of a new boardwalk on the mainland side, leading up to the new bridge approach. And then of course the pedestrian bridge that's behind me is probably the signature part of the project. And then as you cross the bridge onto the island, the hiking trail around the island, which is a little less than a half a mile, has been upgraded to a 6-foot width trail that meets ADA standards. The Upper Falls is 4 miles away. It has a different entrance, separate entrance off of the highway. The contractor hired CHI, Construction Helicopters Incorporated, out of Howell, to set the bridge. They were able to do that one section at a time, lifting it and setting it into place. So now the island is completely accessible to folks of any challenge or need. Will be able to see the island, see the waterfalls that are on the other side of the island.
The bridge is amazing, and it ties into the island so everybody gets to enjoy the island.
Of course, this opens up the opportunity for, handicap, people with pets, injuries perhaps, so yeah, it's a big must.
So it really adds a level of service to the Lower Falls and to Tahquamenon Falls State Park